Attention, government workers. Heads up on an important update from the Controller and Accountant General's Department. To tighten the screws on accurate records and bid farewell to ghost workers, here's the deal. Starting February 2024, your salaries could be at risk if you don't furnish your National Identification Authority (NIA) numbers. The department is getting serious about this to ensure a clean payroll system. After consultations with stakeholders, an agreement has been reached on registration timelines. The NIA is already in action, registering eligible Ghanaians aged 15 and above. The process began on September 4, 2023, and you've got until January to get it done. Deputy Controller and Accountant General, Wisdom Comlin-Messon, has sent out a reminder. Government workers, you're urged to jump on the registration wagon at any of the 24 NIA offices. Priority will be given to you, ensuring everyone gets their NIA cards within the specified time frame. This isn't the first rodeo for such a directive. The CAD is doubling down on accuracy, and this is the second time in the past 2 years they're taking this action. Why? To tackle the ghost worker issue head-on and ensure the payroll system is as clean as a whistle. By linking NIA numbers to salary payments, they aim to weed out any funny business and make sure only the deserving get their paychecks. Act promptly, register for your NIA cards, and avoid any salary hiccups from February 2024. The CAD is committed to transparency and accountability in the payroll system, and this directive is a stride in that direction. Don't miss the train, folks.